I was finally well enough to actually get to the supermarket and buy this cough mixture. And I innocently bought this one because its print was almost big enough for me to read properly at the supermarket. When I got it home, I tried to open it. I tried, I used my opening devices, I pushed as hard as I could and turned it. It took me an hour to get it open, by which time my hand was so sore I could hardly use it. And I looked at this lid, which is nice and smooth on the outside. Looks like it's for measuring stuff. So I got a magnifying glass and I saw that on the inside, where my fingers couldn't feel it, the measurements were written. And then I could actually take the cough mixture, which tasted good and which did help my cough. My shoulder and my arm was so sore from all that struggle. I think, Robert Tussin, you need to get yourself a designer with more imagination.